It's been so much going on recently. I get sick and I was isolated for 3 days, and so many good news happening. So let's get started. Almost. I almost could lose you. There you go. Maybe again last time. The Boston. We're leaving Boston. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the cruise. The last cruise. I really smashed it. We did it. It was really nice. What I can say. Thank you to Boston. Oh, except the gratefulness, I don't have anything to say. I'm really happy. I had a really amazing time. Okay, time to go back to work. So we're still fixing some stuff at the shops. So yeah, it's very cold. It's not that cold, but it's cold. Baby, we left. Diego, we left Boston. We waved at the Boston for last time. Do you want to go out and check? He's a bit sick, so that's why he's not in the mood. Sorry, puppy. Hello, everyone. We are out of Boston, so we are on our way to Miami. And these 4 days non-revenue voyage. We are having no guests and all ship by ourselves, which means there is a lot of activity for us. And of course, we cannot work. We have to work. As you can see, we're fixing some stuff in the shops and preparing some stuff for the world cruise as well. So it's very exciting. And as well, we had some whole Serenade of the Seas crew photo shooting. Woo! Super cold! Look at the sunset! Woo! I think this is the first time we had a all team eating together in a wind jammer. Ship without guest. And we can walk like this. It is amazing, isn't it? We also had the all crew member meeting where we were briefed about upcoming world cruise, so we get some insights what's all gonna
Behind
happen.
things alone the areas of Greenland. As I mentioned, this is an epic trip. We are following in the wake of a lot of other ships that has done this before us, but not to such a great extent as we are doing it. And to put this world cruise into an historical context, I did some research. When we start our cruise on December 10th, it's exactly 101 years and 19 days since the first world cruise started. And that cruise was done on the Laconia from Cunard line. Incidentally, she had the same capacity as the Serenade, 2,200 guests, although she was a much smaller ship, only 20,000 tons. She was chartered by American Express, and they limited the amount of guests to 450. She started on the 21st of November 1922 from New York, and 130 days later she returned to New York again. So over 100 years of world cruising history is behind what we are going to do. And now I'm going to turn it over.
That are staying with us for the entire sailing is a 274-day cruise. We're going to all 7 continents. We visit over 60 plus countries, over 150 destinations. We are visiting over 57 new ports for either the company or even the ship has more new ports. We are building it in 4 different segments and 11 world wonders. Julia will touch base more on the world wonders. So to show the route a little bit, obviously this is not an exact science. The first part of it is the Ultimate Americas. That's segment 1. Departure from Miami. For those that are doing segment 1, will get off in LA. The second part we call the Ultimate Asia Pacific. Departure from LA all the way to Dubai. This is the large departure from Dubai. We're dropping them off in Barcelona for people that are only doing the segment sailing. And then the last part, all the way from Barcelona, going through the northern part, past Greenland, back to Miami.
So as we already mentioned, we will be visiting about 150 different destinations. So our tour program includes over 1,500 different excursions. So very light reading for our destination experts on board and for our guests. We will be traveling about 30,000 miles to visit the new ports, and we'll be meeting about over 50 different nationalities. Our team shoreside consists of about 26 employees, including inventory and product that has organized and planned all of those excursions. And we have a team of 7 destination experts on board. And our team consists actually of 11 of them that will be rotating throughout the project. And I will be the honorary 8th member that will be coming around to the different areas and helping them out with dispatch. Our wonders of the world, we will include, and this is the main highlight for our guests, there are 11 of them included on this journey, as you saw on the first picture in the map. So we have the largest Mayan ancient city. We will also visit the newest world wonder in Brazil, the Christ of the Redeemer, iconic Christian symbol. And we'll also visit the largest waterfall in Iguazu, which is the wonder that is located in actually 3 different countries, encompasses Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. We also visit the Incan lost city, Machu Picchu, located 2,000 meters above sea level, very impressive site. The largest coral reef system in the world, the Great Barrier. The Wall of China, which is the only man-made structure or construction visible from space. The iconic Taj Mahal, which is also a very iconic symbol in Asia and India. Petra, the rock-carved city, and it's dated back to the 4th century before Christ, so very ancient site. Pyramids of Giza, which are the oldest of the wonders and the only one from the ancient wonders that are still standing. The largest Greek temple, the Temple of Artemis, is not completely there anymore, but it used to be larger than the Parthenon in Athens, so a very impressive site as well. And obviously the ancient Rome arena in the Colosseum.
After the meeting, we had all crew member photo shooting in helipad, and I was on the first line wearing my jacket nearby the captain.
All right, nice.
After that, next following 2 days, I was sick, I was isolated, and the Mexico is the next port that we went on. Hello, I'm in Mexico. Well, it was really quick stop. We didn't do anything special. Me and my friend Diego went out, we had some good lunch and went back to the ship again. This is it, quick visit, amazing. So happy to come back to Caribbean. Oh my goodness. Oh. Very nice Grand Cayman, right guys?
Oh yeah. Enjoy drinking.
You must be thinking that I'm visiting these beautiful ports, going outside and traveling, but yes, not. Also, I'm
This
working.
fish is amazing. I haven't seen any fish like this.
Sandra, say hi.
Hi.
You have to subscribe to my channel.
What is my mojito?
What is your view? Yesterday's view.
Today's the day I'm meeting my friend. Oh, yay.
Ellen. Hi.